Hold on tight, folks, because what I'm about to show you will completely change how you see small SUVs. Alright, let's dive straight into the groundbreaking 2026 Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid. Toyota has seriously upped their game with this one. We're talking a complete redesign, sharper lines, a more aggressive stance, and an interior that screams premium. Forget everything you thought you knew about the Yaris Cross. This is a completely new beast. The hybrid powertrain is smoother and more efficient than ever, promising incredible fuel economy without sacrificing performance. I'm personally loving the updated infotainment system. It's finally intuitive and responsive. And the safety features? Next level. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, offering a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. We're talking about features like lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Seriously, this car is packed with tech, but the real question is, does it live up to the hype? From my initial impressions, absolutely. The driving experience is surprisingly engaging. The interior is comfortable and well-appointed, and the fuel economy is simply outstanding. Keep watching as we delve deeper into all the details, including pricing, trim levels, and a full driving review. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty details that you're all dying to know. Under the hood, we have a revised hybrid system that combines a peppy gasoline engine with an electric motor. This translates to both impressive power and exceptional fuel efficiency, making it the perfect car for city driving and long road trips alike. Toyota hasn't released exact numbers yet, but rumors suggest we're looking at over 60 mpg in combined city and highway driving. Wowza. The interior is where the 2026 Yaris Cross Hybrid truly shines. The designers have clearly paid attention to every detail, from the soft-touch materials to the ergonomically designed seats. I was particularly impressed with the amount of space in the back, making it comfortable for even taller passengers. And let's not forget about the tech. The infotainment system is seamless, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a premium sound system that will blow your mind. The panoramic sunroof is also a nice touch, adding a sense of spaciousness to the cabin. Overall, the interior of the 2026 Yaris Cross Hybrid is a huge step up from the previous generation. But what about the competition? The 2026 Yaris